We examined how the importance of anthropology was synonymous to our majors of marine biology and nursing by researching the 4 different hominids that have been known to exist since the beginning of Earth. Through our discoveries, we found how both of our courses of studies have evolved alongside and through interactions with anthropology. Disease is an issue that has shown its prevalence throughout history. Its individual evolution from a minuscule parasite into a deathly plague exposes its ability to take over anyone and anything in its path. By examining how anthropology relates to my major of nursing, I was able to make a connection between the evolution of the first humans to the evolution of the first known disease.
The ocean provides a plethora of nutrients for organisms worldwide. My major is marine biology, and I have exposed how the evolution of the ocean has its effect on the evolution of human beings.
The first hominids was a group called Australopithecus garhi, which were known to have lived 2.5 to 2 million years ago. Within this group, the first evidence of viruses were found to be a byproduct of bacterial mutations, although researchers are unable to determine exactly which diseases were present in this time period.
During this time, large marine mammals were far superior to A. garhi, which caused the hominins to primarily remain on land in hopes of avoiding contact with these monstrous marine animals.
The next group of humans to exist was an evolved agarhi named Homo erectus, which is thought to have existed 2 million years ago to the year 200,000. Through paleontological research, it has been determined that this group of hominids were the first humans to ever suffer from the disease tuberculosis and malaria.
Alongside the evolution from the first known viruses to the first known disease of tuberculosis, the marine animals at this time also changed. Because of adaptations to the environment, the Loch Ness Monster-like fish and sharks evolved into the first shellfish in attempts to shield themselves from other large animals. It is believed that the first hermit crab, starfish, sponges, and coral reefs existed alongside the Homo erectus hominins. These animals also proved to become the first realistic marine food source, but was not yet utilized by these hominins.
I mean, just look at all this stuff. I mean, we could probably eat most of it without dying. I realize how it looks, but I'm 90% sure that you said no to giant mongoose yesterday. When do you plan to eat? You cannot eat that. We have to get ready to that. And you're a child. I go starve.
After the hominids Homo erectus, the group that we now call Neanderthals were known to have existed from the year 40,000 to 30,000. Their main health issue was found with recklessness that was probably found while hunting for food. This included the main problem of fractures to their bones and hips, thus proving an issue of their ability to walk.
Oh, my leg. I think it's broken. I think it's severe. I'm gonna die. I'm definitely dying.
While the ability of utilizing the ocean as a nutritional resource was available during the time of Homo erectus civilization, it was not taken advantage of until the time of the Neanderthals. In this period, it is believed that the hominins ate seals, fish, and mussels alongside their cooked vegetables in order to consume much-needed protein for their diet.
These are delicious. I'm so glad I thought about eating these now. Wait a minute. This was my idea literally minutes ago. We should have eaten these 150,000 years ago. They're delicious. I bet they are, and they were my idea. Well, I don't know what you're talking about. I gathered these. I thought it was a good idea to eat these, and I cooked these. cookies are supposed to be delicious.
You are ridiculous.
Oh, I'm ridiculous?
You're ridiculous.
I do all this work for nothing.
I was literally the one who picked up these shells. I picked them off the beach, and you walked away.
No. I was like, wow, this would be great to eat. You didn't.
I hope you die of malaria.
Last but not least, the Neanderthals later evolved into what we are considered now, the modern-day humans. One of the main reasons we have evolved into the civilization that we are today is due to diet and health changes. The main health issues that are posed for our society is found in unintentional injury deaths. In the specific case of car accidents, it has been found that there are an average of 40,000 deaths per year in the United States as a result of vehicular crashes. We believe this evolution from disease into deaths by accidents are due to the evolution of adapting to modern-day life, which in this example is the product of driving a vehicle.
I'm dead! I think I'm dead.
I think I'm having a heart attack.
Is that guy dead? Cancer's acting up.
In this current stage of life, our ability to take advantage of what the ocean has to offer is something that we all do. The constant demand of seafood, especially in the coastal regions, is something that enhances our modern-day economy and diets. Through observing the evolution of all four hominins alongside the evolution of health issues and marine life, we were able to recognize the importance that anthropology has on every course of study. Although nursing and marine biology do not show obvious ties to the subject of anthropology, our research validates our understanding of the importance of anthropology. Its relevance in each topic shows its imperative need not only in our society's past, but also in our society's future.